Welcome, One Piece fans. Are you ready to unlock the ultimate gaming experience with this awesome One Piece Bounty Rush hack? Well, check out my step-by-step video tutorial where I will show you how I got unlimited amount of rainbow diamonds for free. As you can see, I've already used this method and it works awesome. My unlimited rainbow diamonds arrived within seconds. Yes, that's right, with just a few easy steps, my unlimited resources arrived to my account. But how does it work? Let's go back to the beginning where I'll show you the whole process in this step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the game on your device. Then open your web browser and visit a website called lootmod.com. As you can see, this website has many modded apps and games that can give you amazing features. Search for One Piece Bounty Rush and click on it. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. To start the injection, just click this button. After confirming your selection, the website will start injecting the mod. This process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. In most cases, you will see a message at the end letting you know that the injection has been completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device. However, you may need to complete one more step before you can finish. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it's usually simple. Verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this mod. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll resources coming within seconds. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will skip the video here and come back to you when I am done the verification process. Okay, I'm back. I finished the verification process. It took me a few minutes, which I think is not too long and totally worth it. Once you are done all necessary actions, just launch your game and enjoy the unlimited gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed our content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting mobile hacks and tips. Until next time, see you in the next video.